Hey everybody, what's up? We all love a little ingenuity, especially when it comes to our homes. I'm talking about those aha inventions that make you wonder, why didn't I think of that? Well, get ready to have your minds blown, because today we're diving headfirst into a pool of 5 incredible inventions that are about to elevate your homeowner game to a whole new level. So buckle up, smash that like button for the algorithm, and let's get right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with a bright idea. Vivint Smart Lighting. This innovative system is designed to make your life easier and your home safer. Now, we've all been there, fumbling for the light switch in the dark, hoping we don't trip over anything. It's a common scenario that can be both frustrating and dangerous. But with Vivint, those days are gone. Imagine walking into a room and having the lights turn on automatically, or being able to control them with just a tap on your smartphone. This system lets you control your lights with your smartphone, whether you're home or away. Talk about a game changer. No more stumbling in the dark or worrying about whether you left the lights on. But it's not just about convenience, it's about security too. A well-lit home is a safer home, deterring potential intruders and giving you peace of mind. Imagine this, you're on vacation and you want to make it look like someone's home. With Vivint, you can schedule your lights to turn on and off at different times, deterring any potential unwanted guests. With Vivint, you can schedule your lights to turn on and off at different times, deterring any potential unwanted guests. It's like having a virtual house sitter. Your home will always look occupied, even when you're miles away, adding an extra layer of security. And the best part? Vivint integrates seamlessly with other smart home devices. This means you can create a fully connected home environment that works together to keep you safe and comfortable. So you can create custom automations, like when your doorbell camera detects motion, your lights can automatically turn on. This not only enhances security but also adds a touch of modern convenience to your daily life. Talk about a smart home that's actually smart. With these automations, your home can respond to your needs in real time, making your life easier and more secure. Now I know what you're thinking. Mark, that sounds expensive. But let's break it down. The initial investment might seem high, but the long-term benefits far outweigh the costs. But trust me, the peace of mind and convenience are worth every penny. Imagine never having to worry about your home's lighting again, knowing that it's all taken care of. Plus, Vivint offers different packages to fit your budget. Whether you're looking for a basic setup or a fully integrated smart home system, there's an option for you. So, ditch those old-school light switches and step into the future of home lighting with Vivint. It's time to embrace the convenience, security, and peace of mind that comes with smart lighting. Your home deserves it, and so do you. Let's face it, stairs can be treacherous in the dark. Whether it's late at night or early in the morning, navigating stairs without proper lighting can be a risky endeavor. We've all misjudged a step or two, and it's not a fun experience. A simple misstep can lead to stubbed toes, twisted ankles, or even more serious injuries. But fear no more, my friends, because the stellar lighting stair light controller is here to save the day. This revolutionary product is designed to make your stairway journeys safer and more enjoyable. This ingenious invention uses motion sensors to automatically light up your stairs as you approach, ensuring a safe and sure-footed journey every time. Imagine never having to fumble for a light switch in the dark again. But wait, there's more. Not only does it illuminate your path, but it also adds a touch of elegance to your staircase. The lights are designed to blend seamlessly with any decor, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. The soft, ambient light creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, transforming your stairs from a potential hazard into a stunning design feature. It's not just about safety, it's about creating a beautiful living space. And the best part? The stellar lighting stair light controller is incredibly easy to install. You don't need to be an electrician or a DIY expert to set it up. It comes with everything you need, including detailed instructions, and you can have it up and running in no time. The installation process is straightforward and hassle-free, making it accessible for everyone. No more fumbling for light switches in the dark, no more stub toes, just safe, stylish, and convenient stair lighting. The stellar lighting stair light controller ensures that your stairs are always well lit, providing peace of mind for you and your family. So, if you're tired of feeling like you're navigating an obstacle course every time you go up or down the stairs, then you need the stellar lighting stair light controller in your life. It's a game changer for anyone who values safety and style. Trust me, your feet and your peace of mind will thank you. With the stellar lighting stair light controller, you can enjoy the perfect blend of functionality and elegance, making your home a safer and more beautiful place to live. Okay, car enthusiasts, this one's for you. If you're someone who loves cars, you know how important it is to have enough space to store and work on them. But what if your garage is just too small? Do you dream of having more space in your garage? Maybe you want to finally park both cars inside, or perhaps you need room for a workshop or a home gym. Well, guess what? You don't need to move to a new house or build an expensive extension. Imagine transforming your existing garage into a multifunctional space. You could park 2 cars, set up a workshop, and even have a home gym all in the same area. Sounds impossible? Think again. You don't need a bigger garage. You need a Total Lifting Solutions car lift. This innovative solution can change the way you use your garage space forever. This bad boy lets you store 1 car above the other, instantly doubling your garage space. It's like magic, but with hydraulics. Imagine the convenience of having twice the space without any major construction work. Imagine the possibilities. You could finally have that man cave you've always wanted, or maybe a dedicated space for your hobbies. The sky's the limit. Whether it's a place to tinker with your car, a cozy spot to watch the game, or a workshop for your DIY projects, the options are endless. And don't worry, safety is a top priority with Total Lifting Solutions. Their car lifts are built to the highest standards and come with multiple safety features, so you can rest assured that your precious vehicles are in good hands. From automatic locking systems to emergency stop buttons, every detail is designed with your safety in mind. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mark, car lifts are expensive. And yes, they can be an investment. But think of it this way. You're not just buying a car lift, you're buying valuable space in your home. Plus, it's way cheaper than building an addition onto your garage. When you compare the cost of a Total Lifting Solutions car lift to the expense of adding more square footage to your garage, the lift is a clear winner. Not only do you save money, but you also save time and avoid the hassle of construction. Plus, the added convenience and functionality make it a no-brainer. So why wait? Transform your garage into the ultimate space for your cars and hobbies. With a Total Lifting Solutions car lift, you can maximize your space, keep your vehicles safe, and create the garage of your dreams. It's time to take your garage to the next level. Visit Total Lifting Solutions today and discover the possibilities. Your dream garage is just a lift away. Calling all culinary connoisseurs. Are you tired of bulky range hoods obstructing your view while you're cooking up a storm? Do you long for a sleek and modern kitchen design? Well, say hello to the Zephyr Lift Downdraft Kitchen Vent, the invisible chef's best friend. This ingenious invention seamlessly integrates into your countertop and rises to the occasion only when you need it. When not in use, it disappears like a magic trick, giving your kitchen a clean and uncluttered look. Talk about a design statement. But don't let its sleek appearance fool you. The Zephyr Lift Downdraft Kitchen Vent is a powerhouse when it comes to performance. It efficiently whisks away smoke, steam, and cooking odors, keeping your kitchen air fresh and clean. And because it's installed directly behind your cooktop, it captures everything at the source, preventing those pesky cooking smells from spreading throughout your home. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with both style and substance, the Zephyr Lift Downdraft Kitchen Vent is the perfect solution. It's the ultimate combination of form and function, making it a must-have for any modern kitchen. Alright folks, let's talk about staying warm and cozy while saving money on energy bills. Introducing Powder Watts, the revolutionary home heating system that's changing the game. This innovative technology uses a special powder compound that generates heat when exposed to electricity. Sounds cool, right? Well, it gets even better. Powder Watts is incredibly energy efficient, converting nearly 100% of the electricity it consumes into heat. That means less energy wasted and more money staying in your pocket. Plus, it's much more environmentally friendly than traditional heating systems that rely on fossil fuels. But it's not just about efficiency. Powder Watts also provides superior comfort. The heat it generates is evenly distributed throughout your home, eliminating those annoying cold spots. And because it doesn't rely on forced air, it's incredibly quiet, creating a peaceful and relaxing environment. So if you're ready to ditch your old, inefficient heating system and embrace the future of home comfort, look no further than Powder Watts. It's time to experience the warmth, savings, and peace of mind that comes with this revolutionary technology. And there you have it, folks, 5 ingenious inventions that are guaranteed to take your home to the next level. From smart lighting and stair safety to garage space savers and invisible kitchen vents, these innovations offer a perfect blend of convenience, style, and functionality. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to ditch those outdated home features and embrace the future of comfortable and efficient living. Trust me, your home and your wallet will thank you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, happy inventing.